Print quality decline after extended usage. Printed documents may display spots or stripes, which can be attributed to various factors such as the transfer roller, or the natural aging of the toner cartridge. Here is a step-by-step guide for cleaning the transfer roller. You'll need the following items. Dust off compressed gas, acetone, cotton swab, tweezers. Step 1. Power off and unplug the printer. Before performing any maintenance, ensure that the printer is powered off and disconnected from the power source. Also, remove the toner cartridge and paper tray. Step 2. Access the printer's rear panel. Flip open the back panel to access the transfer roller. Utilize compressed gas to eliminate dust particles. Step 3. Carefully clean the transfer roller. Dampen a cotton swab with acetone and gently wipe the transfer roller. Rotate the roller using the gear located at its end. Step 4. Clean the paper separation fingers. Lift the paper separation fingers with tweezers and clean them using a cotton swab. Step 5. Remove remaining dust with compressed gas. Once again, employ compressed gas to eliminate any remaining dust. Then, return all components to their original positions. Reinstall the toner cartridge and paper tray, reconnect the power, and turn on the printer. Step 6. Print a test page. To confirm that everything is functioning correctly, print a test page. It looks good. Thank you for watching.